Mir Sher Alam Marri Baloch, exiled Baloch People Baloch leader, born on 10 August 1973 in Kohlu Killi Karam Khan, son of 1st Baloch guerrilla commander Sher Mohammad Marri, General Sheroff, a Baloch nationalist and tribal chief. Mir Sher Alam Marri belongs to an influential family in Marri Baloch tribe. His grandfather Mir Saydan Marri joined the rebellion against the British and went to Afghanistan and died there, and is buried in Kandahar. Sher Alam Marri started his early education in Kohlu in 1984 and started his political career from BSO, Baloch Students Organization. After that his family exiled to Afghanistan. He continued studying in Kabul Polytechnic Institute from 1984 to 1989. After college he went to the Soviet Union for higher education. In 1989 he finished Russian language school Minaralni Wadi, a city in Stavropol, and moved to Leningrad, Saint Petersburg, for further study in State Polytechnical University of Saint Petersburg from 1989 to 1992 and Civil Aviation College 1992 to 1997. After he finished studying, he moved to Balochistan and became active in politics as a political leader for struggle of freedom of Balochistan. Currently he lives in St. Petersburg and supports freedom militants. References. External links. Mir Sher Alam Marri Baloch on Facebook. VSH News Central Point Baloch Nationalism and Internationalism Sher Alam Marri 5 April 2012 on YouTube. VSH News Central Point Balochistan is tribal issue. Sher Alam Marri 11 April 2012 on YouTube. www.dailytower.net 29 September 2014. https://web.archive.org/2014102214358/http://argentina-exlet.blogspot.ru/2014/001/sher-alam-marri-baloch.html http://shorin.blogspout.ru/201-3/02/balochistan-news-005-0213.html http://www.pakistanchristianbus.com/headlineinus.php?newsit=3087 https://sardarwatch.wordpress.com/page/27/